What's going on, guys? Car Review Guys here. My name is AJ, and today we are back with the 2023 Lexus ES300h F Sport handling. Yes, it's a mouthful to get it all out there. But anyway, we got to talk about the 5 things I absolutely love about this vehicle. This list was kind of difficult because I had to really narrow it down. So there's going to be a lot of like little intricacies that I don't get into, so don't think that I don't love those things. We're gonna go big picture here on this vehicle. So without further ado, we try to keep these short. Let's jump right into this. Let's roll. Number 1 on the list is the interior design and color choice / options. So you get 3 choices of color. As you can see behind me, this is red, or as they call it, I believe, a circuit red, if you want to be specific. Super nice. You can get a white and black, or you can get black. So there are 3 options. Always nice to have options. That's usually what car manufacturers, in my opinion, make the improvement list, because they only allow one option, and I just don't like when it's only one option. I think there should be several. And they did it with this, and even this red, like, I love it. And just all the attention to detail, like you've got F Sport in the seat, looks super nice. Love the touches they did. You got two-tone on the door, as you can see there. You just have contrasting stitching right there. You got some like brushed aluminum look. I don't know if you can see it right there. Everything is laid out like really nicely. You have heads-up display, a 10-inch, you have a 12.3-inch screen, and down here you have a wireless phone charger. The design, Number 2 on the list has to be all of the features in this vehicle. Again, I can't go one by one. I can't do that. So just very quickly hitting some of the highlighted features, in my opinion. The steering wheel is telescopic, which you can see right here. You just literally just press it and it's fully powered, which is really nice. You have a 10-way adjustable seating, which you can see there, obviously all power. You have memory seats. You have adaptive cruise control, which this is your distance. Right here is your lane keep / lane centering. It does really, really well. You have a full LED display there, 12.3-inch. There's heads-up display, as you can see, blinking out in front. You have a wireless phone charger, and last but certainly not least, heated and cooled seats, along with a heated steering wheel. I could go through many more things, but that's the highlighted features. I'm trying to keep this video as short as possible. So let's move on to the next point here. Number 3 on this list has to be the gas mileage. And that's probably unsurprising, seeing as it's a hybrid, but it had to make the list because it's exceptional. This car is getting, okay, it has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. I went over all of that in my review, and it's a hybrid. So long story short, it gets 43 city, 44 highway, and you're gonna average 44 miles to the gallon. And as I've driven this over the last 100-ish miles, it's getting that. And that's a mix of both. So it's doing exactly what it says. So being able to get that kind of gas mileage to me is phenomenal, especially in a car that's kind of heavy, but it's also just so quiet and so smooth, and having all of that with the gas mileage, what more can you want, honestly? I just don't know. So anyway, moving on to our next point. Number 4 on the list. This is probably going to be unsurprising as well for anyone that's ever driven a newer Lexus. The ride has to be number 4. I mean, the suspension, the quietness, the smoothness, the elegance, I mean, it just drives amazing. I mean, it's one of those things that you can never convey on camera, like by showing you, really. It's just all about telling you the experience. So my best thing is go drive one. And I said that in my review as well, but definitely go drive one. I mean, if you just go to a dealership, drive one, you'll 100% know what I'm saying. The thing rides like a dream. And I mean that. I drive all kinds of vehicles, hence the channel. And this thing is up there with the best, and that's just Lexus in general. Just the ride quality is amazing. I absolutely love it. Nothing more to say about that. Moving on to number 5. Number 5 on the list is quality. Quality, quality, quality. Everything with Toyota Lexus is always top notch. If, for whatever reason, if something is off, per se, it's covered under warranty, okay? And they will fix it correctly, which is nice, because I've seen some others where it doesn't always get fixed correctly or whatever. But honestly, the odds of you having that with a Lexus, especially this one, is pretty slim chances, because I've gone over like everything in this vehicle, like every fit, finish, detail, crack, crevice, like looking at it, everything's perfect. Honest to goodness, it really is. So, and this is just one of thousands of cars made. So the fact, like, that's one of the noisiest trucks ever, and it was like, you could hear it on camera, but trust me, that was really noisy if I'd had my window down. That's insane. The quality on this thing is just top notch. I can't say more about it than that, just because it's so good. Again, it's one of those things, we could sit here for an hour of me literally taking a measuring device and measuring every single thing for you. I've already done it off camera, and the fit and finish is up here. So had to make the list. It was number 5. And just like that, we are going to wrap up the series with this vehicle. I've really enjoyed my time with it, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the next vehicle. Please subscribe and like this video, and if you didn't, give me feedback as to why, a legitimate one. And I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.